I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hi guys, welcome to another class. In this class we are going to check how to use would. First, we are going to understand that when to use would. Easy. Would is going to be used to express past habits, right? Past habits. But maybe you remember the last videos in the last week before the contingency, we checked that used to is to express past habits. But now would is going to be expressed to express past habits, but in more formal situations, right? Or in more formal sentences. That is the idea. Would is used for past habits in more formal situations, right? So we are going to start with a sentence. For example, here you have this one that is here, right? It says, my mom would sweep the house every day. If you see the word every day, it's because that was a past formal habit. It was a repeating habit because she did it every day, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But that is every day. Now maybe there is a difference because I do sweep the house already, so I help her sweep the house. So maybe I sweep it on Monday and on Friday and on Saturday. So she doesn't do it every day, but in the past she would sweep the house every day. It was a past habit, right? Let's go with another one. For example, I would go to the school every day, right? It was a past habit. I say a past habit because now, because of the contingency, you don't go every day, right? Because you have to stay at home. Remember, hashtag stay at home, right? So I would go to the school every day. It was a past habit because it was a repeating habit. You repeated that action, go, 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 right? So but we have to check something here that is very, very important. For example, you have would. When you have would, the next thing that you have to consider to have is the verb in simple form. For example, in the last sentence, we have, my mom would sweep. That is not sweeping, that is not swept, that is not will sweep, that is would and sweep. The verb is in simple form. Would, sweep. Verb in simple form, right? In the next sentence, you have, I would go, would go. The verb is in simple form. No went, no going, no gone, no will go. Okay, so would go. Go is in simple form. Okay, so what about the negative? That is very simple. For example, I wouldn't forget my homework. Okay, because you are a very responsible student, right? So all of the days you present the homework to your teacher. So I wouldn't forget the homework. So wouldn't is the contraction of would not, right? Would not. So I wouldn't forget, again, wouldn't, the verb in simple form, forget. I wouldn't forget the homework, right? So because you accomplish all of the days the homework, right? So that is very simple. I'm going to erase this. Okay, I erased everything, and now you have two activities in the platform. One that is in Kahoot, in the Kahoot app, or you can enter it by the computer and solve the activity. And you have another in EduCap. So enter to the platform. Remember, you have to register your email before, so I cannot see the results if you don't register before, right? So that's all. So remember, we are going to check the last one. Would for past habits in more formal situations, right? That's all for today, and see you next class. Bye.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotions.